Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the resistance, conductance, resistivity, and conductivity of electrolytic conductance. Beta resistance of any conductor, resistance of any conductor be measured according to Ohm's law. That is, potential difference across the two ends of a conductor is directly proportional to the current passed through them. If we have a conductor wire, as much as we apply current, the difference in potential, that is the potential difference between two ends of the conductor, is directly proportional to current, that is V is directly proportional to I. V is the potential difference, I is the current. When we remove the constant of proportionality, it is R. R is the Ohm's constant, or we can say resistance. If we want to calculate R, it is V upon I, that is volt per ampere. Beta volt per ampere. 1 volt per ampere is known as ohm. Symbol of ohm is this one. It is known as resistance. Conductance. Beta conductance may be represented by C or Z. It is reciprocal, not inversely proportional. Beta, it is reciprocal of resistance. It is confirmed if resistance increase, conductance decrease, or resistance decrease, conductance increase, but not in particular ratio. If resistance become half, conductance become double. Ratio is there. If ratio is present between two phenomena, two physical quantities, then inversely proportional. But here ratio is not there. If we increase the resistance, conductance decrease, but not in particular ratio, then it is reciprocal. Beta, it is reciprocal to the resistance. It is reciprocal to the resistance. C is equal to 1 upon R. If you represent by Z, it is G is equal to 1 upon R. Units of conductance is ohm inverse, or ohm inverse is the mho. Ohm inverse is the mho, or Simon. SIEMEN represented by S. Now resistivity, beta resistivity of a conductor depends upon two factors. Resistivity in the conductance, that is the specific resistance, R, depends upon two factors. R is directly proportional to length but inversely proportional to area of cross section of the wire. When we combine these two, R is directly proportional to L upon A. To remove the sign, it is represented by rho, L upon A. Rho is known as specific resistance or resistivity. Specific resistance or resistivity. If we want to calculate rho, it is R A upon L. R is ohm, A area of cross section centimeter square, upon length centimeter. Beta centimeter 1 centimeter cancel out, and units of resistivity is ohm meter. units of resistivity is ohm meter. Again conductivity, beta conductivity is represented by kappa. Resistivity is represented by kappa. It is reciprocal of resistivity. It is reciprocal of resistivity, not inversely, but reciprocal. Units of conductivity is ohm inverse, meter, centimeter inverse, or we can say mho centimeter inverse, or we can say Simon centimeter inverse. This is resistance, conductance, resistivity and conductivity. Resistance we calculate on the basis of Ohm's law. Then conductance is reciprocal of resistivity. Conductance is reciprocal to the resistance. This resistivity is known as specific resistance. This specific resistance directly proportional to length, inversely proportional to area of cross section. When we combine these two, we have this phenomena to remove the sign of constant. It is rho. Rho is known as specific resistance or resistivity. Now calculate the resistivity. Units of resistivity is centimeter, ohm meter or ohm centimeter. And conductivity is represented by kappa. In some case maybe sigma also, but nowadays we use kappa. Not simple K, kappa is this one. Kappa, it is reciprocal of resistivity, hence its unit is ohm inverse, centimeter inverse. Ohm inverse is also represented by mho, then mho centimeter inverse, and this mho unit was given by Simon, then it is known as Simon centimeter inverse or Simon meter inverse. In CGS, centimeter inverse, in SI meter inverse. Then beta equivalent conductivity and molar conductivity. Equivalent conductivity and molar conductivity. Now molar conductivity. Molar conductivity is represented by delta N. Equivalent conductivity is represented by delta EQ. Beta, both definitions are similar. If we use the amount of substance in moles, then molar conductivity. If we use the electrolytic solution in gram equivalent, then it is equivalent conductivity. The molar conductivity of a solution, of an electrolytic solution, the molar conductivity of an electrolytic solution at infinite dilution, is the conductance of all the ions, बेटा ये आयंस कहाँ से बनेंगे, कैटायन और एनायन फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन, प्रोड्यूस्ड by 1 mole of electrolyte, This 1 mole is important beta. If here is 1 mole, molar conductivity. In place of 1 mole, it is 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte, then equivalent conductivity. Otherwise, definition remains same. And the distance between two electrodes is 1 centimeter. बेटा जब भी आप किसी सॉल्यूशन में से करंट पास कराओगे, 1 इलेक्ट्रोड इज एनोड, another electrode is cathode. This anode and cathode are the two electrodes. distance between two electrode is at least 1 centimeter, and vessel is so much large that whole solution contained in it, and area of vessel is so large that whole solution contained in it. ऐसा नहीं बेटा जैसे आपका सॉल्यूशन पड़ा रहता है इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन में, उसकी कंसंट्रेशन चेंज होती रहती है, इसीलिए वी विल ट्राई कि होल सॉल्यूशन will be take in one batch. Complete solution will be taken in one time. And area of vessel is so large that whole solution contained in it. If we want to calculate the molar conductivity, beta conductance of all the ions means conductivity, multiply by 1000 upon molarity. Units of conductivity is Simon meter inverse, and molarity moles per liter. Moles per liter. Per liter means 1 liter is meter cube volume per meter cube. It will be cancelled out. Simon per mole meter square. Then equivalent conductivity, beta whole definition remains same, only change the term. In place of 1 mole it is 1 gram equivalent. Then you want to calculate the equivalent conductivity, that is conductivity kappa multiply by 100. Beta for 1000 for gram equivalent you use normality, use the term molarity. In place of molarity you will use normality in case of equivalent conductivity, and calculate the unit again Simon meter inverse upon, for normality gram equivalent per liter again meter cube, and units are Simon gram equivalent per gram equivalent meter square. These are SI unit. If you want to be write in CGS, it is centimeter square. Then beta, this is whole about the conductance or electrolytic conductance. From yesterday and today you will clear the concept of electrolytic conductance. Conductors are of two types, metallic conductor, ionic conductor. Which factor affect the ionic conductor, which factor affect the metallic conductor, what is the difference between these, and on the basis of conductance or conductor nature you define resistance, conductance, specific resistance or resistivity, and conductance, specific conductance or conductivity, then molar conductance and equivalent conductance. Tomorrow we will study about the Kohlraasch law. That Kohlraasch law is also on the basis of conductivity. Strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte. Better strong electrolyte always conduct electricity. They are good conductor, but we will study about the weak electrolyte. Thank you.